Check it out, guys. We finally installed the HKS Hypermax S coilovers, and look how different the car looks now. It's super aggressive on the front end. These cars come really high from factory, and it was really bothering me. So we have about just a little over a finger gap of clearance in the front, as you guys can see, and rear. So when we originally installed these coilovers, we didn't leave it at the stock height that they come in. We actually lowered it just a tad bit, just to get rid of some wheel gap. No rubbing issues, doesn't feel bumpy on the streets at all. It just feels like a smooth ride, just like OEM, which I'm really happy about. Now, depending on what front lip I go with, how aggressive I go with the front lip on this car, I might have to raise it up, but I plan on keeping this a OEM plus build. I don't plan on putting anything too crazy in the front end. But next is the exhaust. We definitely need an exhaust on this car. This car is super quiet. I want to hear some of that soupy rumble from the Boxer engine, so stay tuned for that. I want to give a big shout out to Chris over at Formula S. They're the ones that installed the coilovers for me. So if you guys are ever in Socal and want to get your car worked on, make sure to hit up Chris over at Formula S. I'll make sure I link their Instagram down in the description below. Again, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.